This model kit reviews of the de Havilland Vampire. It's the World War II jet. It's a 1/48 scale model by HobbyCraft. Here you can see the Dornier arrow flying away from it. And some of the features. And markings for Swiss and Dominican. So let's have a look inside. Looks like we have a number of screws here. They've been put into plastic bags. So over here we have our main body. It's got some recessed panel lines. Here's the underside with the nose wheel. Here we have our instrument panel. Some of the details of the inside of the cockpit. And this is part of our nose, probably our cockpit here. Nose wheel well. Not much detail there at all. Here are the two booms. And our tail. Tail's molded as one piece. Here we have our seat and fuel tanks, landing gear, wheel well covers. And here we have our wings. Fit well together. Molding's pretty good. Actually, those are the top and the bottoms here. That's supposed to go with that one. That's why it fits better this way. Wheel well has no detail there. Here we have our wheels. And we have our exhaust. And some other parts. We have the little wing tips for the side, and our control stick there. Here we have looks like a rubber wheel, ready for the nose wheel. We have our decals, so we have the British version, and looks like the Swiss version here, and then the other one was Dominican. Let's have a look at our instruction guide here. So we start off with the cockpit, some details put together there. And canopy goes on, as well as the fuselage, exhaust, and nose wheel well. They told you to put a weight in there. And then we have the wings, little winglets or tips going on, booms going together there. And then we have our landing gear and fuel tanks. And then we have our painting and decal guide. This is for the British version. Here's the Swiss version, and then the Dominican version. And here are the other top and the bottom. So all in all, not a lot of detail. There's some in the cockpit. Wheel wells are blank. Decals are actually not too bad. So it'll be an okay build.